Hi, welcome back to my video. My name is Mochamad Faisal Sidik. I am a college student at STEMIC in Cirebon. I make a video about how to make collage of Polaroid effect in Photoshop. Collage of Polaroid is one of the interesting photos effects to be applied to various types of images. This tutorial uses Adobe Photoshop CS4. The previous and after version can still support as long as the available tools are like clipping mesh and layer group. Whatever Photoshop you produce, you can apply this solid effect. Before following the step, you must have Adobe Photoshop CS4 version or other version and have photo that has an object in it. Open the Photoshop by click twice Photoshop icon on the desktop screen. Then select the photo that you want to add by select File, Open, or press Ctrl O. Select the photo and click Open or press Enter on the keyboard. Click the background layer and press Ctrl J on the keyboard to duplicate layer. After that, right click on the new layer then select Convert to Smart Object. Then Host Filter, Blur, Gradient Blur. When the dialog box open, set the radius on the Gradient Blur to 75 pixels or just adjust with your link. The trick is to access the vibration adjustment layer. Drag the panel at the bottom of the layer by clicking on the round white and gray icon, then selecting vibrance. Change the value of the vibrance to 100 and leave the saturation as it is. I think so far it's quite easy to follow the tutorial. Step 4. You will create a collage books that will be used to display only certain parts of the photo using the Restance tool. Click the Restance tool on the left side of the screen. Click and drag on the face with the side viewer. The next step is to create a collage box using the same method as above. In the second box, I just want place the layer at the bottom of the previous layer and try to make a white box that is slightly longer than before. Then click twice on the white layer to open layer style. If it's open, do the setting on drop shadow like this. Click OK if you have. And the display of the two collage books will look like this. If you have done the third step above, then the next step you will enter the photo in the collage books, and the photo will be input into a black screen. The trick is to duplicate the background layer. And place the photo layer at the very top of the other layer. And place the photo layer at the very top of the other layer. Then right click on this layer and select create flipping mask. The photo will enter and appear on the black screen. Select the white, black, and background copy layer by clicking on it one by one while pressing the Ctrl key on the keyboard. After that, press Ctrl G to unite the three layers into a group or folder. Right click directly, duplicate group. To duplicate it, rename folder to group 2. The black and white layer is group 2. Then slide the box using the arrow on your keyboard or use the move tool. To change the slope of the box, click the rectangular marker tool. Right click on the box and slide to adjust the slope of the box. Do the same for the rest of the other collage books that you have not created.
next episode. Yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CPT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang us in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quick talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your trap. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you be relieving your stress. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg, Snoop Dogg. Da 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 da, you know I'm mobbing with the D.O.E. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Da 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 da, it's the one and only Eagle Double G. Eagle Double G. Hold up.
How? Easy and short, right? If there are obstacles in creating with this tutorial, please ask in the comment column below. Thanks.